Warming up is important because it prepares your body for exercise, makes your muscles enjoy it ready, increases your blood flow, and helps to prevent injury.
Balancing in hands and knees while lifting an arm and opposite leg with a weight, like holding a bag in one hand while reaching out with the other. Moving your hips gently up and down while lying on your back, like shifting in bed to get more comfortable.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Ngunit ba't ba hindi ito pa rin? Hirap na kong intindi. Tanging panalangin, lubayan na sana.
Kicking one leg upward behind you while on hands and knees, like pushing a dog pose with your foot when your hands are full.
Mukha mo'y nakikita. Kahit saan man mapunta ay anino mo'y kumakapit sa'king kamay. Ako ay dahan-dahan nililibing ng buhay pa.
Lying on your back, bending your legs and tapping your heels slightly in front, like dipping your toes in water while sitting by the pool. Lifting your straight legs up and down while lying on your back, like raising your legs to rest them on a chair. Stretching your legs forward from a bent position, like kicking your legs out after sitting too long.